It's already 2:31 and I haven't vlogged today. We were busy just packing because today's our last full day here, and we wanted to make sure that we actually have all the suitcase space that we need. But I don't think we do, so we're gonna try to get another bag. But yeah, we're just walking to Yeonse, the international campus, and then we're going to get some merch and stuff from the school. And yeah, it's really hot outside. Very hot today. And this is Imo. There's the building, Yeonse University. We're going in. We're eating at Ponga. This is the menu. They have all the stuff here. What's yours? Kimchi bokkeumbap? Chamchi kimchi bokkeumbap. So kimchi fried rice but with tuna. This one is mandu, fried mandu. This one is cheese tonkatsu. And then 예준가 omurice. And then 이모가 알밥 and 쫄면. 열무 물냉면. We're at Baskin Robbins again. Let's see if I can taste it this time. Probably not. I can actually kind of taste it this time. You can feel.
또 하나 있는데 그거는 그냥 하나짜리로만 돼 있어.
Hey, 할아버지's exercising. Yeren's also exercising.
전화기도 들어가고 지갑도 들어가고.
Alright, so I like completely forgot to vlog all day today. But we just went shopping. We just bought a bunch of stuff because we had a bunch of extra cash left over. And once you convert that to dollars, like, you just lose a lot. So we thought it's best for us to just spend as much as we can here. Also because Korea has a lot better things. So we bought a lot of stuff. We also got an extra suitcase because I don't think everything that we have will fit in all of our suitcases right now. So we got an extra one. But yeah, these outlets are really nice and there's like so much stuff. Oh, I also bought some like real gold earrings, which I've never had before, so really excited for that. Not these ones, obviously, but it's in my bag, and I can show those later. But yeah, happy. Yejin got some Burger King. How is it compared to American Burger King? What? Is it better or worse? Give your honest review.
It makes me want to stay here.
So it's better. These are the earrings I got. One is like a pearl one and one is like gold hoops. So pretty. Our first and only night out in Korea with Yeojin. Yay! We're going to 노래방. 랄라. 노래 연습장. Lala. Oh, so colorful in here.
We're singing our song.
You're looking gorgeous. We're in room 9. Whoa, it's orange. Yeah. Wait, it's so clean in here. Wow, this is so nice. All right, ready to party? This is our warm-up song. While they look up other stuff. Honey, honey, I can see the stars all the way from here. Can you see the glow on the window? These are our scores. All our songs. Wow. I'm so tired. Stopping by another photo booth. They have so many of these in Korea. What the? Nice. This is the photo studios. So you get all these like different props and stuff, and then you can go into the photo booth and take photos. Photos are gonna come out. Whoa!
Wow. 태그.
This photo studio thing is like all over Korea, and it's like so nice because it's like open 24 hours and you could just go in, get some photos. It's so cute. I look so bad right now because I'm sweating so much. But that was really fun. Good way to spend our last night in Korea. You like it, Yejin?